A stuffy nose can be annoying. Your nose drips. You sound funny when you talk. And just when you want to blow your nose to finally breathe again, nothing comes out. Many people think a stuffy nose is the result of too much mucus in the nasal passages. However, a clogged nose is actually caused by inflamed blood vessels in the sinuses. These irritated vessels are usually triggered by a cold, the flu, allergies, or a sinus infection. Regardless of the reason for your stuffed up nose, there are easy ways to relieve it. Here are 8 things you can do now to feel and breathe better. 1. Use a humidifier. A humidifier provides a quick, easy way to reduce sinus pain and relieve a stuffy nose. The machine converts water to moisture that slowly fills the air, increasing the humidity in a room. Breathing in this moist air can soothe irritated tissues and swollen blood vessels in your nose and sinuses. Humidifiers also thin the mucus in your sinuses. This can help empty the fluids in your nose and return your breathing to normal. Put a humidifier in your room to ease the inflammation causing your congestion. 2. Take a shower. Have you ever had a stuffy nose and found that you could breathe so much better after a hot shower? There's a good reason for that. The steam from a shower helps to thin out the mucus in your nose and reduce inflammation. Taking a hot shower can help your breathing return to normal, at least for a little while. You can get the same effect by breathing in steam from hot water in a sink. Here's how. Turn on the hot water in your bathroom sink. Once the temperature is right, place a towel over your head and put your head over the sink. Allow the steam to build, and take in deep breaths. Be careful not to burn your face on the hot water or steam. 3. Stay hydrated. Keep the fluids flowing when your nose is stuffed up. Almost all liquids can help keep you hydrated when you're sick, including water, sports drinks, and even juice. They help thin the mucus in your nasal passages, pushing the fluids out of your nose and decreasing the pressure in your sinuses. Less pressure means less inflammation and irritation. If your stuffy nose is accompanied by a sore throat, warm tea and soup will help ease the discomfort in your throat. 2. 4. Use a saline spray. Take hydration one step further with saline, a saltwater solution. Using a nasal saline spray can increase the moisture in your nostrils. The spray helps thin the mucus in your nasal passages. This decreases the inflammation of your blood vessels and helps empty fluids from your nose. Numerous saline sprays are available over the counter. Some saline sprays also include decongestant medication. Talk to your doctor before you begin using saline sprays with decongestants. They may actually make your congestion worse if used for more than 3 days. They can also cause side effects when used along with other medications. 5. Drain your sinuses. It's not the most glamorous task, but you can flush your clogged nostrils with a natter pot. A natter pot is a container designed to flush mucus and fluids out of your nasal passages. The United States Food and Drug Administration, FDA, recommends using distilled or sterile water instead of tap water. Here's how to use a natter pot. Stand with your head over a sink. Place the spout of the natter pot in one nostril. Tilt the natter pot until water enters your nasal passage. Once the water flows into your nostril, it will come out through your other nostril and empty into the sink. Do this for about 1 minute, and then switch sides. 6. Use a warm compress. A warm compress may help unclog a stuffy nose by opening the nasal passages from the outside. To make a warm compress, first soak a towel in warm water. Squeeze the water out of the towel, then fold it and place it over your nose and forehead. The warmth can provide comfort from any pain and help relieve the inflammation in the nostrils. Repeat this as often as necessary. 7. Try decongestants. A decongestant medication can help reduce swelling and ease pain associated with irritated nasal passages. Many decongestants are available without a doctor's prescription. They come in 2 forms, nasal spray and pill. Common decongestant nasal sprays include oxymetazoline, warfarin, and phenylephrine, Sinox. Common decongestant pills include pseudoephedrine, Sudafed, Sudogest. Many of these medicines are kept behind the pharmacy counter, so you'll need to get them from the pharmacist.